This is the aftermath of a fire that destroyed the lives of many. People are trying to find their foot over devastating losses. Bleeding in their hearts and emotionally drained after suffering huge losses in a tragic fire which reduced thousands of dollars in wares into smoke, the Mbare Musika vendors limped back to work as they try to rebuild.
No, we can go and sit back home. Yes, but it is time to wear foot again, bring down the pillars, clean up some ashes, all and stuff.
Work to clean the rumble has started. While the smoke has started to disappear, the ashes remain a painful reminder of the economically devastating that brought Mbare to its knees on Monday night. At the core of the cleanup is for the phoenix to rise from the rubble and ashes of the devastating fire.
Next move tangira papo tisama shade manyowani munhu autosta shade nyowani vamwe vatotengesa vamwe vatisa mashade.
The effects of the fire are being felt even by the vendors who are physically not touched by the fire. They depended heavily on their peers who lost nearly everything in the fire.
Zvinotoafecta kwese saka watonzwa kuti pandatotaura ndatoti musika uyo ukashayikwa uno hautengeseki, uno ukawanikwa uko kusina still hakutengeseki, because vanhu vanenge vachida package, vanhu vanenge vaine zvinhu zvavanoda umo zvinozobatsira kugadzira mafresh things. Saka mafresh nemadried anenge ari uko zvinofamba hand in hand, saka business kutori zvakatoafecta zvinhu zvakawanda. Ine misika yedu handinoona kwakutorina jurawo, security chaiyo inenge isina kusimba because misika iri tuiwo kunenge kuine jurawo kujurawo zvinenge misika yakabatana.
The fire has hit the pockets of more than 10,000 people who survive on the market as unemployment continues to grow in Zim. How and if they raise is the story of resilience that many would want to hear. Reporting for International